Let's get you all the highlights from Parliament today. The Speaker election took place and as expected, smooth sailing for the NDA as Om Birla has been elected as the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha, a historic second term for Mr. Birla. There was a voice vote that took place to choose between the NDA candidate Om Birla and Congress MP from Kerala, K. Suresh, the opposition's candidate. Om Birla won against Suresh, thereby defeating the motion moved by the opposition in the Lok Sabha. Now, soon after the voting process, the Leader of the House, Prime Minister Modi, accompanied by the Leader of Opposition, Rahul Gandhi, they walked up to the Speaker's chair. They actually greeted Om Birla first with a handshake on becoming the Lok Sabha Speaker for the second time, then escorted him right up to, in fact, the Speaker's chair. And a brief moment there where Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi also shook hands before escorting the Speaker to his chair. Now, following this election, Prime Minister Modi addressed the Lok Sabha seeking support from the opposition in discussing key legislations. Now, Leader of Opposition of the 18th Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, also addressed the session, saying that he was looking forward for maximum support from the government and also said that he hopes the Speaker will allow the opposition to have a voice in the House.
ये सदन का सौभाग्य है कि आप दूसरी बार इस आसन पर विराजमान हो रहे हैं। आपको और इस पूरे सदन को मेरी तरफ से मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, मेरी तरफ से आपको शुभकामनाएं हैं, लेकिन इस पूरे सदन की तरफ से भी आपको अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं। अमृत काल के इस महत्वपूर्ण कालखंड में दूसरी बार इस पद पर विराजमान होना बहुत बड़ा दायित्व आपको मिला है और आपका 5 वर्ष का अनुभव और आपके साथ हम लोगों का 5 साल का अनुभव, हम सबका विश्वास है कि आप आने वाले 5 साल हम सबका मार्गदर्शन भी करेंगे और देश की आशा अपेक्षाएं पूर्ण करने के लिए ये सदन अपना दायित्व निभाने में आपकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रहेगी। आपकी अध्यक्षता में संसद में जो ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुए हैं, आपकी अध्यक्षता में सदन के माध्यम से जो सुधार हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक सदन की भी और आपकी भी विरासत है और भविष्य में 70वीं लोकसभा के संबंध में जब विश्लेषण होंगे, उसके विषय में लिखा जाएगा तो भारत के भविष्य को नई दिशा देने में आपकी अध्यक्षता वाली 70वीं लोकसभा की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रही है।
Speaker sir, I'd like to congratulate you for your successful election, for the second time that you have been elected. I'd like to congratulate you on behalf of the entire opposition, on behalf of the India Alliance. Speaker sir, this House represents the voice of India's people. And you, Speaker sir, are the final arbiter of that voice. Of course, the government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. And this time, the opposition represents significantly more voice of the Indian people than it did last time. Speaker sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. I am confident that you will allow us to represent our voice, allow us to speak, allow us to represent the voice of the people of India. Speaker, sir, the question is not how efficiently the House is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House. So the idea, Speaker, sir, so the idea that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea. And this election has shown that the people of India expect the opposition to defend the Constitution, the Samvidhan of this country. And we are confident that by allowing the opposition to speak, by allowing us to represent the people of India, you will do your duty of defending the Constitution of India. I'd like to once again congratulate you, Speaker, sir, and also all the members of the House who have won their election. Thank you very much.